So this is just basically a walkthrough just to show you the starting over point. Cleaned out the back with some help from my nephew and a friend, and cleaned out the trellis, all the dead leaves from the cucumber and squash plants. Tried to salvage what I could. As you can see, it's very skeletal. Emptied out a bunch of other containers just to start fresh. The beets actually came out pretty good. That's a pumpkin plant. I don't know whether it's alive or not, but I'm going to give it some more time to see if anything comes back to life. And this was my harvest. 2 sugar babies and 1 decent looking cucumber and 2 deformed looking cucumbers, but better than what I did last summer, so I'm happy about that. And heading over to the fence, a lot of defeats, but we salvaged some. This is the cantaloupe plant, which still has a lot of life in it. This was a pot that had actually 2 plants, a squash and a watermelon. So the squash was pretty much on death's door, so we kept the watermelon. And this is the original OG watermelon plant that couldn't quite make up what it was, part alive, part dead. There still seemed to be some signs of life, with some little plants or fruits sprouting at the top. So both vines. So we decided to keep this one for now. And next to that is a second squash plant that I still struggle with these fungus infections. I sprayed neem oil. I'm not sure what else to do for these things. But that seems to be just a recurring issue with the squash and the cucumber plants. So we'll see what happens. But this is my starting over point. You know, sometimes you just have to have a little bit of failure. Learn your lessons and move forward again. So this is where I'm at.